Hey guys, this is Teresa and you have Mummy Sneezer right in front of you. Today she will be sneezing for us on popular demand. So, are you ready?
Yes.
So here we go. Today she's going to sneeze on your request. Show your love for her. Hit on the like button if you like her sneezes. Happening? I think that's all for today. She's done for the day. I hope you like the video and please show some love to my mom for the sneezes. Bye. Hit the like button. Subscribe on this channel. Take care. Adios.